Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by verifying a few essentials so the unlock option appears. Make sure both devices use the same Apple ID with two-factor authentication active, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on, and your Apple Watch has a passcode set. Once done, open System Settings on your Mac and go to Touch ID and Password. This is the first actionable step. You'll see the toggle to allow your Apple Watch to unlock the Mac. Turn that toggle on to proceed. Next, you confirm and grant the permission that lets the watch authenticate you. In Touch ID and Password on the Mac, toggle the option to use your Apple Watch to unlock the Mac. The system will ask you to enter your Mac account password to confirm. Do that to register the watch. Make sure your watch is unlocked and on your wrist while doing this. If the option isn't visible, restart both devices and check that both are on the same network and logged into iCloud. To finish, lock your Mac or let it sleep, then wake it while wearing your unlocked Apple Watch. The Mac should unlock automatically and show a brief notification. If unlocking fails, make sure two-factor authentication is active, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled, and your Apple Watch has a passcode and is unlocked on your wrist. If problems persist, sign out of iCloud and sign back in or reboot both devices. This often clears connection or pairing glitches and restores the feature.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.